Before building anything, you need to make sure it's solving a real problem. Identifying a problem worth solving is the cornerstone of any successful startup. Too often, founders fall in love with their solution before deeply understanding the problem. But products aren't born from features, they're born from pain points. Start by observing people. Where are they struggling? What workarounds are they creating? Great problems often hide in plain sight, embedded in daily routines, overlooked inefficiencies, or persistent frustrations. Talk to people, not to pitch your idea, but to listen. Ask open-ended questions and pay attention to the language they use. When someone says something is annoying, expensive, or time-consuming, that's a potential signal. A good problem is urgent, frequent, and expensive, or at least emotionally costly. It's something your target audience thinks about often and would be motivated to solve. The more painful and pressing the problem, the more likely someone is to try a new solution. But identifying a problem is not just about empathy, it's also about evidence. Once you've gathered insights, look for patterns. Are multiple people describing the same issue? Would they pay to make it go away? Can you find data to support your observations? These are the questions that separate guesses from grounded insight. You're not just looking for any problem. You're looking for one worth solving. That means finding a problem that's not only real, but solvable and ideally underserved. If there are no existing solutions, or if current solutions are clunky or expensive, you may be onto something. Remember, you're not in the business of building products. You're in the business of solving problems. And the better you understand the problem, the better chance you have of building something people truly want. Everything starts here, with clarity, curiosity, and the commitment to listen before you create.